Mr. Raj wants to send meeting invitation to 50 people, but all he has is their employee code. Do you know how he can retrieve these 50 contact details from employee master file? One way would be to manually search every employee ID, but this approach will be very time consuming. And what if he has to do it again for another set of employees? Well, there is a better way to do this. Let's see how you can do this in less than 90 seconds. First, select the range of cells in the target table and enter is equal to Vlookup. Then pick the employee ID column and freeze it by using $symbol. Now, select the data range from the source table and freeze it as well. For column index num, use match function and match the header of target table with header of source table and freeze them as well. Put a comma and enter 0 and close the bracket for match function. Again enter 0 and close the bracket for Vlookup function and press Ctrl plus enter. Now, just drag the anchor point to fill in the data. You will see that it has retrieved all the necessary data from the source table.